What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Poulan Pro trimmer, and the problem is it won't start. I was told that it was serviced before I got it with the new diaphragm fuel lines, but unfortunately it still wouldn't start. This puts me in a very difficult position because now I have to try to figure out how to get it to start, and it may be because of what somebody else might have done. Let's go ahead and check to see if it even works. Let's use some starting fluid and see if it'll run. Now that we know that it works, let's go ahead and get to the carburetor and take a look at it. Start by removing the two bolts and removing the plastic piece. We can now see the new fuel lines in what looks to be a very clean carburetor. Now carefully remove the carburetor by first disconnecting the throttle linkage and then the fuel lines. We can now see the diaphragm and also our first problem. The gasket is on the wrong side. The gasket is supposed to be on the carburetor side and not on the plate side. We'll simply peel the diaphragm from the gasket and put it back the correct way. And while we're here, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the carburetor to see if it's okay as well. Let's reinstall the carburetor back on the trimmer and try it out. When reconnecting the throttle linkage, make sure it works properly. And before we start, let's go ahead and check the fuel system and make sure that it's priming correctly since we dealt with all those fuel lines. And as you can see, the fuel is returning from the carburetor out of the shorter line in the fuel tank. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.